Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFII token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this down channel and this rejection from this $4,500 resistance as well. And on the smaller time frame chart, YFII token has formed another symmetrical triangle. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my recent trade signal of YFII token that I shared with my members on 26th of August, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that YFII token formed with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared this idea, it was moving at $955, and after playing this chart, you can see we had a very powerful pump, and the price line rallied even beyond the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this shark pattern for my members. And you can see the price line rallied up to $4,293. You can, by the way, watch the highest value here, $4,293.5. That was more than 400% pump within few days. Now let's move to this weekly time frame chart. And here we have been watching that we had a very long formation of this down channel. And here we have had a breakdown, and after the breakdown, the price then formed this double bottom here at this support of $330 and re-entered the channel and broke out the channel, but got rejected by this resistance of $2,370. Again, moved down, re-entered the channel, and after testing the support of $850, the price then again broke out this resistance of this down channel. At the same time, you can see the price line has also formed this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, and broke out the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. When we were rejected by this resistance of $4,500 and we had extreme sell-off and the price line was moving down, I was telling you that this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern can work as a very strong support, because previously you can see for the past several weeks or months this level had been working as a nice support, and when it forms the right shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, that becomes more stronger support. And we can see this time the price line could not test this support, even did not break down the support of $1,150, but before that it has been working as a nice support. Now the good thing over here is that we have a very nice development that we have again broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and at the same time the price line it did not break down this support of $1,150, and right now we are trying to break out this next resistance of $1,800. Now, for example, if we take a look at the target again for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and I'm expecting that sooner or later the price line can hit this target, the expected move can be here at $10,000 approximately. That is very close to the target for this down channel, by the way. The target for the down channel here approximately at $800 or $7,800. There is a big difference, by the way, between $10,000 and $7,800. And the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the long-term target is here at approximately at $10,000. And on the smaller time frame chart, you can see that YFII token has formed another symmetrical triangle. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this triangle, then we can expect an imminent move here that will be approximately at $2,100, $2,100, and in that situation you can see it is showing us the projection beyond the resistance of $1,800 as well. Therefore, even though this is a very small triangle on the hourly time frame chart, but the significance of this triangle is very high, and the next few hours can be really very important for YFII token again. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.